Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to hydrate and restore your scalp, something that's often overlooked in our hair care routines. If you've ever struggled with dryness or a flaky scalp, this review could be exactly what you've been looking for. Today, we're talking about the Eva NYC Hydrating Scalp Treatment Serum, a lightweight serum designed to bring your scalp back to life and give your hair that healthy glow we all crave. This product is formulated to hydrate both your hair and scalp, offering a solution for dry scalp while keeping your strands moisturized and frizz-free. It's infused with some pretty potent ingredients, including hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, which work together to lock in moisture and revitalize both your scalp and hair. The serum also features violet rice water, a unique ingredient that promises to add some revitalizing benefits to the mix. And yes, it smells divine with its jasmine scent. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's break down how this serum works and how it performed when I tested it. I applied the serum to damp hair as instructed after washing and conditioning. It's easy to use. Part your hair into sections, apply a few drops directly to the scalp, massage it in, and then comb through to the ends of your hair. It's super lightweight and absorbs quickly. 93% of users agree with that claim. As someone with a dry scalp, I noticed immediate relief from that tight, itchy feeling. It didn't leave any greasy residue, and my scalp felt nourished and fresh. Now let's talk about performance. The serum really lives up to its hydration claims. The hyaluronic acid does its job, locking in moisture and leaving my hair feeling soft but not weighed down. Glycolic acid provides a deep hydration that helps smooth the hair and reduce frizz, which is a must for those of us battling dryness. The product also lives up to its promise of being lightweight and fast-absorbing. No greasy aftermath or heavy buildup. It just leaves a clean, fresh feeling. Pros? First, it's so easy to use and doesn't require any rinsing. Perfect for a no-fuss, hassle-free addition to your routine. It also works great as a leave-in treatment, providing moisture and improving hair texture without making it feel heavy or oily. The jasmine scent is also a nice touch. It's light and refreshing, but not overpowering. However, on the flip side, if you have very oily hair or scalp, this may be a bit too hydrating for you. It's best suited for people with dry or flaky scalps, as it's formulated to lock in moisture and soothe irritation. But for those with oilier skin, you might find this a bit rich. When it comes to value for money, it's priced at a premium, but considering its clean, vegan formula and the quality of ingredients, like the hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, it seems to deliver what it promises. It's free from parabens, phthalates, and silicones, which is a plus if you're looking for a gentle yet effective product. Whether it's worth the investment really depends on how much you value those qualities in a scalp serum. For me, it definitely does its job and gives long-lasting results, so it's a worthy addition to my routine. Let's take a moment to look at some alternatives. There are other scalp treatments available that also focus on hydration, like the Kerastase Specifique Stimuliste Scalp Treatment or the Briogeo Scalp Revival. Both are fantastic options, but they tend to be a bit pricier. If you're looking for something that hydrates without breaking the bank, the Eva NYC Serum is a solid choice. Now, as for build quality and longevity, I haven't had the serum long enough to comment on long-term use. But given that it's designed to be lightweight and not build up on the scalp, I imagine it would last quite a while with regular use. The packaging is also quite sleek and travel-friendly, so it's a nice option to carry with you if you're on the go. In terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about Eva NYC's responsive and helpful customer service, though I haven't needed to reach out myself. It's always good to know that a brand stands behind its products, especially when it comes to hair care. Finally, let's wrap things up. If you're someone who struggles with a dry, irritated scalp and needs something that hydrates while also taming frizz, the Eva NYC Hydrating Scalp Treatment Serum is a great option to try. It's got all the right ingredients to nourish your scalp, and it works really well for dry hair types. While it may not be ideal for everyone, particularly those with oily scalps, it delivers a lot of benefits, especially for people looking to maintain a healthy scalp foundation. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell so you never miss a review. Your support helps us continue to bring you honest, in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience with it. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.